Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you some background preparation. For that I'm taking red, yellow and orange paint, and I will work with palette knife. I just sewed my canvas and then sprinkle some water, and now I will take my palette knife and start spreading my paint. It's very easy. You can spread in any direction, anyway, unless you have some you have to make some landscaping or some painting with some structures. It's and other than that, you can spread your paint in any direction. So as you can see, I'm just spreading it, and where I couldn't spread it anymore, I will take a little more paint and spread it again. It's really easy. You don't have to work really hard with this kind of technique. Here I took some orange and spread it. There I put some yellow. You don't have to wash your palette knife again and again. You just have to work at once. Now here I am kind of scrapping my paint to give it some structure. And now here I took a little more red and just give it a stroke of red. And now I will take a golden color paint and just work with brush and spread my golden paint on the surface, just to give a little shiny look. And now I'm working on the edge of the canvas around it, so it will also make circle. Here you can see. Now I took gold, red, orange, all the paint that I used, and give a little mix, not too much, just a little bit, and painted my outer edges. And I do it with my every canvas, so it gave it a complete look, so it doesn't look separate. The edges are white or black and the front is all painted and colorful. Here I just completed it. Now you can see. So this was a little tutorial for your background. Assalamualaikum.